Here we are with another unboxing video with the slashes. We got the mini slash, we got the Land Rovers, we got Beaner or Peyton with his full-size slash, and we got Lena with her mini slash in pink in color. Also got the slash full-size flat front bumper with the lights, the LED kit.
Which one do you want? Milky one? Careful, that one sure.
As well as the Raptor sitting over here resting with the whip light. There's Lena pulling her out first, and hers actually came with the battery and the remote. Oh, how cute!
Cute and pink.
Got the pink one. There you go. All right.
Aww.
And this is all thanks to Hobby Pros here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Here goes Peyton with his big slash. He also came with the remote. No battery. Had to buy a battery. Peyton got the 3S Pro battery. Ooh, Peyton with the blue.
Ooh, that's really
Nice, brand
like that
new,
one?
nice. Smells new too.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay, Miss Lena, what you think of yours?
It is really nice. It's so cute. I love the pink. The blue is really nice.
You like that one? Oh, look at them together. Yeah.
Fuel cell battery.
That's pretty cool, honey.
Peyton with
There's that high-speed gear too.
Peyton got the high-speed gear with his, with the instruction manual, and Lena with her instruction manual.
Oh, what the heck? Like, there's a person in there.
Got the driver. Got the driver.
Let me see. Let me show you. See on the bottom. See those little clips.